I decided I needed to make a change to this evil Weevil that I did a couple years ago. Those of you that saw the original video probably remember that this was in pretty rough shape. As you see here, that it had been painted over, there had been decals of some kind put on it, the base had been painted black. There was a lot going on this, and then when I got some of that paint that was on the base off of it, you may remember that I realized that there was this crack in the base. So the first thing that I ended up doing was reinforcing that with JB Weld, and I'm happy to say that as of today it is still in good shape. This was the part that, it's the reason why I'm redoing this. When I put those decals on, it was to make it look like the original Evil Weevil with stickers on the side, with the number stickers on the side. These were decals. And they were okay. It was metal cast red that I painted on the casting, in case you're curious, with a gold base coat to kind of give it a candy apple look. And at that time, this was where we started. And like I said, it was rough. And here's where it finished. But the more I looked at this on the shelf, I don't know, for a while now. I did this a couple years ago, like I said. The decals were just driving me crazy. I didn't like it. I wanted to change it. So, yep, it's screwed together, so just as easily as it was screwed together, I can unscrew it, which is what I did. I took it apart, got that body off, and threw it in citrus strip, stripped that candy apple paint off of it, cleaned it up, got it ready for new paint. I did go with metal cast again on this, but I went with the purple metal cast. There you see the JB welded crack in the base is still holding up good. But here you see how it looks now. I went with the purple metal cast, threw it back together. Yeah, I'm happy with the purple metal cast paint. Some of the pictures don't really reveal it to be as purple as it is. It looks much more purple in person. And even the turntable shot here coming up in a little bit doesn't really do it justice. Some of the glamour shots do. And this is a very short video since I'm just revisiting this build. But the big change was I did not put those decals on again. And I'm much happier with it. The reason I decided for the purple, if you saw my recent videos, you know that I did on a lowrider for the Four Horsemen Invitational. I painted it in purple early on. Loved the look of the paint. The paint with the decals I had on there, I loved. And then when I clear coated it, it went to trash. And I had to redo it. Did not go with the purple the next time around on that. And I thought, well, if I'm revisiting the Evil Weevil, let's give the purple metal cast another shot here and see how it goes. It went well. I mean, as expected, it went well. Metal cast rarely gives me problems. With some of the metal cast paints, you have to watch for pooling. And this one I did have a little bit of pooling on the paint, but I like the look of it. I did definitely put a heavy coat on this. I do a couple of light coats basically with the metal cast paint, then usually a heavier coat for the shine. In case you're curious, I did not clear coat this. The shine that you see on this casting is purely metal cast. There is no clear coat over it. But if you get a good wet metal cast coat on there, it can give you a pretty decent shine, even without the clear. And so that's what I decided to do. If I had put a clear coat on this, like I did on the lowrider, and it went to trash, I would have cried. Okay, I wouldn't have cried. I would have screamed. But I decided to avoid the problem altogether, go with a nice heavy metal cast final coat, let that be the shine. And yeah, it rolls, and it's a nice little casting. So there you have it. I love the Evil Weevil casting. It's a fun casting. And I'm really happy with the paint on this, and I'm even happier without the stupid number decals on the doors. And some of you, I'm sure, would like it better with the number decal. Some of you don't. I love it without it. I feel much better about this. I hope you like this too. Here's some glamour shots. Everybody, thanks for watching this video. Like I said, it's super short. And stay safe and healthy out there. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.